Hello everyone, I am Puja. In last lecture, we see that what is JavaScript and what are the benefits of JavaScript and how to declare a variable. In today's lecture, we will see that what are the data types. So in JavaScript, there are mainly two types of data type: a primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data types are the static data types, whereas non-primitive data types are the dynamic data type. There are the mainly six data type in primitive data type, like string, boolean, number, undefined, null and a symbol. And non-primitive data types include object and array. So we will see the all data types of all the examples one by one. So see what is the main difference between primitive data type and non-primitive data type. In simply, primitive data types are the static data types. So the what is the mean of static? Here is we can see that in last lecture we see that with the help of three keyword, let, const and where, we can declare a variable. So first of all, declare a one variable like let a is equal to 10. So we declare a variable a as we initialize as a value 10. So basically it comes under the number primitive data type. So a holds the value as a 10. So primitive data types, so what we can do, they are the static data types. So what we can do, we can reinitialize it, like we can do letter a is equal to 20. But in non-primitive data type we can't do the things like this, if we declare let array arr is equal to 1 2 3 4, so we can't do like this 3 4 5. Is it not valid, and is it valid? So these are the mainly difference between these two non-primitive data types. So basically JavaScript is a dynamically type language. So while declaring variable, we does not declare a type. It's like what it should be hold string, or it should hold boolean value, number, undefined, null or symbol. So we will see one by one each data type. So first of all, string. So what does string store? So like let name is equal to Mina. Like we declare a variable with the help of keyword let, and name we declare it with the help of name, and initialize the value Mina. So string is basically a combination of character, or we can say set of characters, and we can concat multiple character into the string. And then second one is the boolean. Boolean is a primitive data type of JavaScript which holds the value we can say let is valid. Boolean store the value as a truthy or falsy, which holds is it true or false, like that value 0 1 like that. And then next one is like number is it like let, we already see this is the example of number. With the help of we declare a variable, is it like as a let a is equal to 10. So while the compiling this code, JavaScript will give its data type as a number according to what value it got initialized. and then like we can see here also like x is equal to 20, like this only. Then undefined and null. Like undefined, like we in javascript is a dynamically typed language. So if like we just declare a variable like let y and we didn't initialize any of the value to this, so javascript will automatically assign it value as a undefined. In null stores the falsy value. Null store the false value, and type of the null is number. It's a bug in the bugs in the javascript. And type of the undefined is the undefined. And symbol is a primitive data type which is used for encapsulation and heading data, which is introduced in year 6. And then non-primitive data type, there are the like object and array. So like we can see that like let object is equal to name Pooja and age 21. So like this we can declare a object in javascript. And then in simply array, we already seen that we with the help of like this syntax we can declare array in javascript. So these are the all the things, like what are the variables, what are the data types we seen today. Thank you so much. That's all.